Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create this type of image hover gallery in Framer without writing any code. I found this animation in this website. I have linked in the description along with the remix link for this project. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Create a project, go to layers, desktop, click this layer to make it stack, then press F on keyboard to add a frame, drop it here, set the width, fill, height, viewport 100 VH. Click this layer to make it stack and name it gallery. Right click here, create component to make it a component. Scroll down, change the fill color to black and now upload our images. Select all, lock the aspect ratio if you haven't already, then set the width 300 pixel. Again select all, position it absolute and position them like this. To do this, select our first image, align it center, then we can set the rest of the images visibility to off, visible no, then click here, move it to the left, maybe we can add some top value 200, left 60, make sure to unpin it, scroll down, transforms, rotate and add some rotation -12, then click the second image, visible yes, again position it center, move it to the left, position it in a similar way to how we did the first image, top maybe 150, left maybe 200, unpin it and then scroll down, transform, rotate -9. Feel free to spend more time refining the layout to make it even more better. Then select all the image, go to styles, filters, brightness, scroll down, brightness 50%. Now create 6 more variants for this 6 image. Click here, zoom out a bit. Go to the variant 2, click the first image, scroll down, brightness 100%, z index 2 and reduce rotation maybe 5. Now go to the variant 3, repeat the same step. It's time to add mouse interaction. Click this image, this variant 1, click this icon, drop it here, interaction, mouse enter, then click this image, click this icon, drop it here, interaction, mouse leave. As for the second, click the second image, drop it to the variant 3, the second image, then select the second image and drop this arrow to the variant 1. Repeat this process for each of the image. Now let's preview our animation to see how it looks. Go to the home and go to this desktop, height, fit content. Now let's preview. Yeah, it looks perfect. We can add a transition to make the hover smoother. Double click on it, then transition is in out. Now let's see. We can adjust the position here. We can also add origin to improve how the animation feels. So to do this, double click here and then select the first image, scroll down, transform, origin, set the X maybe 0 and Y 100. We can move to the right little bit. Now let's see. Yes, it looks perfect. Repeat this for the rest of the images. We can also make this project responsive. Let's add a new variant and name it tablet. Click here and name it tablet. Set the width 810, select all the image, lock the aspect ratio and set the width 200. Since tablet and mobile devices don't support hover interactions, they are tab based, we will use the click interaction instead. So click the first image, remove the interaction, click here, add new variant. The process is same. Click here, scroll down, brightness 100, z index 2, set the rotation 5, click this image, click this icon, drop it here, interaction click here, drop it here, interaction, click. The process is the same. Create 5 additional variants for the 5 images and set the interaction to click. Showing this step by step would be repetitive and would make the video much longer. So I have already created all the variants for tablet and mobile. Let me show you. These are for the tablets and these are for the phones. For the phone, simply select it and click here, 310, and then select all the images, set the width 80, and now position it. Now click the variant 10, remove it, click here, drop it here, click here, scroll down, brightness 100, Z index 2, rotation -5, remove the interaction, click here, drop it here. Now go to the home, breakpoints, tablet, and for the phone, double click on it, change the name to phone, set the variant phone, and now let's see. Perfect. You can spend more time positioning the images and tweaking the transition or origin values to make the animation even smoother. And that's it. If you have made it this far, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video, inshallah.